What is that?
Yeah.
That is amazing. Wow, I've never seen it. What is this? It's so squishy. Squishy stuff.
There's bees.
That is cool feeling. That feels amazing. Weirdly, really weird. Look at this cool, nice. Oh, that is so nice. Look at the wheels. That is so nice.
And I got a slinky.
Look how nice.
I got a slinky.
Look at that slinky. Let me slink it. Let me slink some of it. Let me do a slinky. Ooh, I remember the slinkies, man. Jacks. These are all, that's cool, man.
And I got a cloud. Cloud.
A cloud? A puffy cloud? Puffy cloud. What's his name?
I don't know.
Pedro the Puff.
I got a shark.
We did. Yes. This thing is cool. It's so cool.
And then I got a freaking pig. Oink, oink.
Freaking pig.
And I got this.
Quack, quack. Squeak, squeak.
No. I got this, which I can solve. Watch this, y'all. I'm just gonna put and solve it. Alright, now trying to break it apart.
Do it, do it. You can do this in under 30 minutes. 30 seconds. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 30. You got time. You got it. Oh, he did it. He did it.
One freaking push.
He's a genius. He's a genius. Fastest ever. Just broke the record. Who broke the record? What the flippin' dip is that?
And I got this. Y'all gotta try to guess what color it is.
Guess what color it is?
5, 4,
3.
Got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Red.
Who guessed?
I guessed red.
Purple.
It's purple. Do it again. Man, you tricked so many people. I thought it was freaking blue.
Alright, y'all. That's enough for this video. If y'all want part 2, we'll actually show all my fidgets and all my poppets. That was all my poppets, but next video we'll just do fidgets. We'll only show all my fidgets. Alright, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace.
Yes. Peace. I'm fixing to eat this cheeseburger and these French fries. Oh man, fine. I'm eating avocado. I got the avocado. Ooh, I got the ice cream.
I want the hamburger. Hey, guess what? I'm gonna get the Slurpee. I'm getting the Slurpee.
That's also good.